everyone, this is going to be a follow-up video of the video that I pushed out at the end of last week. We've had a few questions and a few run into problems with the Google Backup and Sync and iCloud. So I'm going to address those concerns right now, and I hope this makes using those a little easier. First, I want to start with the Google Drive Backup and Sync. So you can look at the icon in the upper right-hand corner, Backup and Sync from Google, and you'll click on it. It'll show your profile and everything that's currently going on. And what I need you to do is click on the three dots of the hamburger menu. From here, you're going to go to Preferences. This will pull up the Preferences menu, and there's several things you need to check in here. First is make sure you have the desktop and your documents backed up. Those are your two most important things. If you have a lot of pictures, you can back them up here, but that's not absolutely necessary. Next, in Google Drive, I have it to where it asks me about removing a copy from my desktop and Google Drive because I don't want to accidentally delete anything. But a lot of people would prefer that if they delete it off their computer, they want it deleted from their drive. So all you do is click that drop down menu and you can select Never Remove, Always Remove, or Ask Before Removing. That's just a personal preference, but I wanted to give you that option. The next most important thing would be clicking the Google Drive folder. A lot of the times, I can't remember exactly if this box is checked by default or not, but if it is checked, that means everything in your Google Drive is going to download to your computer, which could eat up your memory. So I recommend you uncheck that box to make sure old stuff in your Google Drive or stuff that you don't need won't eat up the storage of your computer. So please make sure that box is unchecked. You shouldn't have to worry about anything in the settings, but the most important part here would be this Google Drive, making sure this box is unchecked. If it is checked, just simply click it, it'll uncheck, and then you just need to save. Next would be iCloud. So to go to iCloud, you can go to System Preferences, and then you'll go to Apple ID. In iCloud, you can see I only have 5 gigabytes of storage, and I'm using very, very little of mine, but it varies depending on what you're doing. In here, you can check different boxes and choose what you want actually saved or not. I don't care about any of these settings or Safari or photos or we don't use the mail or the contacts. I like to have my calendar synced, my reminders and my notes. Keychains, just your passwords. Again, that's just a preference. You just got to be extremely careful of what you're saving as a password. Uh, we've been through all that before. Just make sure you don't have those saved on your laptop the same way you treat your Mac. Find My Mac needs to stay on for locating purposes. And then your iCloud Drive, you can go into here, and a lot of this stuff you might not actually need synced. You could probably uncheck all of this. That way it doesn't take up any storage, and just check the desktop documents and folders if you want to link your computer and your laptop. This just helps keep down the storage and hopefully reduces a lot of the clutter that some people are seeing from doing this. Also in iCloud, you can click the Manage button, and in here you're going to see all your different what is being saved in your iCloud storage, and you can go in and select stuff and delete to free up space. One more thing I want to mention about the, I'll go back to it, your Google Backup and Sync. We have noticed that if you run it on both devices, it actually creates 2 folders in your Google Drive and duplicates everything twice. So we're recommending now that if you're running Backup and Sync on your desktop, you don't run it on your laptop and vice versa. So if you only have it on your laptop, not your desktop, then don't worry about it. So the most efficient way of running these 2 backups is to enable your iCloud to where it will mimic what is on your desktop. So your laptop and your desktop will look the same. And then on one of those devices, enable the Google Backup and Sync. That way, not only do you have an iCloud backup, but you also have a Google Drive backup, and your Drive has unlimited storage that is free. iCloud you have to pay for. So I just want you to be aware of that. Only run Google Backup and Sync on one device. And then if you want to sync your laptop and your desktop, I believe that's the most efficient way to work with both devices. Also, if you want to get rid of it, simply go to Quit Backup and Sync. That'll get rid of it there. From here, you're going to go to Finder. So I went up top, click the three dots, and then hit Quit. Go to Applications, find the Google Backup and Sync app, take it, and you're going to drag it into your trash, if it'll let me. And you'll drag it into your trash. From there, go into your trash, empty it, and it'll be deleted off your device. I hope this helps and reduces a lot of the clutter some people have been seeing. And again, if you have any questions, please let us know.